said, welcome to Veganuary.
Welcome.
And we're a little bit late to the party. Bowie's upset because he said, I really wanted to do a Veganuary from day one, but we couldn't do it. I mean, we could have, but it wouldn't have been very good because my mom passed away last week, and we weren't in the best of moods, you know? Kind of puts a damper on things.
Try not to cry.
All right, well, we still want to give you guys Veganuary because we're very passionate about being vegan. We're ethical vegans.
Yes.
We also like to think we eat pretty healthy.
Somewhat. As I eat a processed breakfast.
I know.
What are you gonna do?
Well,
So,
this is what we ate. In case you didn't realize it, you are gonna have to stop. He said, "I would like one green bean, please." All right, get out.
So, I wanted to mention too, we had COVID the week before Christmas, or the week of Christmas, actually.
So we didn't even have a Christmas, really.
Yeah, but I was gonna say, unfortunately, I lost my sense of taste and smell.
Right.
When we had COVID, and it still has not come back yet.
Gift that keeps giving.
So,
Merry freaking
really
Christmas.
It's weird eating when you can't smell or taste it. I can taste a little bit here and there. I can smell things if it's right up in my face.
Yeah.
But it's up and down because sometimes I'll be like, wow, I think I'm getting it back. And then I'm just like, wow, I can't taste anything. So that's just something that I'm dealing with here. So I just wanted to give that disclaimer going into Veganuary.
I never lost my sense of taste, but I suppose that's up for debate.
I mean, I hope I still have taste, but I don't have taste.
Right.
So I'm starting with an egg Sammy this morning.
Okay.
Some homemade sourdough.
Whoa.
Homemade by my mommy. Yes.
Okay.
I'm having the folded just egg.
Okay.
And I'm having the vegan matzo melts.
Oh.
So it's delicious. And I put a little bit of seasoning salt. Yesterday I didn't even put salt because I was like, I can't taste it anyway. Like, who cares? I'm not gonna put extra salt. But I put a little bit of salt today.
Oh.
It's the
mixed up salt.
Jane's Crazy mixed up seasonings.
Because they didn't have the Paul Prudhomme magic seasoning salt.
Which we call Dom DeLuise.
Dom DeLuise seasoning. Yeah. All right. Well, for breakfast today, I'm on my second tanker of coffee. I also have an entire bag of frozen cut green beans that I've cooked. Just in, steamed in the microwave. I have some jasmine rice with a little bit of the corn slaw that was left from Mexican night because everybody ate all the other stuff on Mexican night.
It was delish.
And the only thing that was left over was the rice and the corn slaw, which is fine because it's still delicious. And from the day after Christmas, I think it was, or a couple days after Christmas, I made some pizza muffins.
Delish.
Which are basically sourdough with a small little hunk of Beyond sausage, some Miyoko's, the liquid pizza cheese, and a little spoonful of Paisana pasta sauce.
Delicious.
Baked. So this, and there's a little hot sauce over the top of this. So this is my breakfast today.
It's a nice plate.
Thank you.
A nice bowl.
Looks like you have a banana waiting for later.
Check back later for this.
Oh, well, here's its best friend.
I know,
feel
I gotta
so
eat
left
this
out.
too. I'm gonna eat this too later. Hold me to it.
Every morning that she comes over, which is like 5 days a week, she has the best intentions by bringing fruit with her.
I usually eat it.
How long has this apple been sitting
Well,
here?
because I forgot that I brought it, and then everything went crazy. And
yeah, that's true. All right, you get a pass.
December, so
I ate half that bag of grapes yesterday.
Good.
They were delicious too, I have to say.
Yeah, so we'll be back later.
All right. Oh, hi, it's snack time. So this is going to be our snack for today. We're also making a video for Veganuary breaking down the different ways to do tofu in the air fryer versus the toaster oven or / oven. So we're probably going to have about half of these maybe for our snack today. So that's what we had for snack. Oh, lunchtime at the Oasis.
Yay!
Get your tofu fed.
Yeah, more tofu. That tofu test was enlightening.
It really was. I'm so glad we decided to do that.
Yeah, good idea.
So I was waiting for mine to heat up, and I had a couple of these organic sea salt tortilla chips.
Those are good.
Yeah, with some garlic hummus.
Super garlicky. Yeah.
Hi, I'm Garlic.
Yeah. That would be a great drag name.
Garlic.
I like it.
But are they stinky?
I don't know. Are they Bowie?
Yeah.
Handsome.
So we're having leftover stir fry, tofu and string bean stir fry with some mushrooms in there too.
Delicious.
Nobody's taking these, so I'm just gonna throw them back on the pile.
Sounds good to me.
We're having a little spring mix with it.
Little dressing that does not go with the theme, but
Nope.
that's okay.
Oh, it's roasted garlic.
Yeah.
It's okay.
All right. I just figured this was like an Italian style.
Yeah, we're gonna have a nice pizza salad tonight.
Yeah, so we'll show you guys that later. I think it's gonna be.
I'm not having pizza though.
Wow.
I don't know what I'm having yet. I usually decide last minute, but I usually have leftovers, but I'll see what happens.
We'll find something good for you.
Thank you. But I don't know if we have anything for dessert, but
Whatever. If it happens, it happens.
I want dessert. I really want it. Just kidding. But I do.
No. I would love dessert.
Yes. Hey. All right, I got a low battery situation, so go eat your food.
Hey, it's mid-afternoon snack time. So, anybody want to watch me eat a banana? No, I'm gonna eat it off camera. But I am sticking to what I said. I am eating my banana. We'll see if I get to this apple too. I don't know. The night is young, so I could still eat that before dinner because it's kind of tiny. So that's all there is, you know. Just gonna enjoy my banana now. Right, it's time for another snack, and it's happening. I'm gonna eat the apple, but I just wanted to show a little preview of what's happening here.
Oh,
Beautiful.
vegan sourdough pizza.
Oh, can't wait. Can't wait. But for now,
You're gonna have to wait.
delicious. This is Pink Lady.
You're gonna eat that on camera? The whole thing? You sure?
No, I always forget how good apples are.
Yeah.
Yeah, I gotta start.
Yeah, apple a day, baby. I'm gonna go enjoy this.
Oh, it's dinner time. And it just so happens to be pizza night,
Yay!
which I'm not having.
Oh.
So here's the vegan pizza.
I'm gonna give it a try. I got some pizza here. I got this beautiful salad that you made.
Thank you. I'm having falafel tonight.
Yeah. Do you want to say what's in the salad?
The salad is spring mix, romaine, grape tomatoes, multicolor,
Cucumbers,
shredded carrot, and
sunflower seeds.
right, roasted sunflower seeds, and just a light vinaigrette.
And that pizza?
Oh,
Delicious.
well, thank you.
Chef's kiss.
Whoa. I'll agree.
The falafel
Oh, there's
smells good too.
there's just a little bit of leftover follow your heart vegan feta as well.
Love
Ha ha ha. Oh hi! Whenever a camera turns on, a dog is drinking.
Bowie! Good boy.
All right, so it's dessert time. We made it. We just
made
finished
it.
our live stream on the Mad Rose D channel,
Lots of fun.
and now it is time for dessert. And I have my little finger bowl of dry roasted peanuts.
Mm.
Maybe I need a couple more. This is a quarter cup. Maddie is also having some.
some cookies.
You're gonna have a walnut cookie and a.
I might, yeah. I think
Okay.
I deserve it.
There you go.
All right.
And that's the end of the video. The video.
Mm-hmm.
So I hope you enjoyed spying on us, creeping on us, watching what we eat.
I enjoyed
today.
eating today, so.
I think I had some good food today. That falafel was delish for dinner with that salad. I think it was pretty nice.
I can't get over that tofu.
Oh, it's so good. Watch yesterday's video if you want to see some crazy tofu action. It might change your mind a little bit about tofu.
Yeah.
So Thanks again for watching, guys. We'll be back with more for Veganuary.
Look at the baby. Good boy.
I'm a Veganuary baby. And until the next Veganuary video, much love.